Good morning, students. Today we will learn new phonetic sounds such as sound of ch, ch and sh, sh. Let's start. cheese, cheese. cheese, cheese. cheese. chick, chick. chick, chick. chair, chair. chair, chair. chair, chair. chin, chin. chips, chips. chips, chips. child, child. child, child. child, child. cherry, cherry. cherry, cherry. cherry, cherry. bench, bench. bench, bench. beach, beach. beach, beach. beach, beach. peach, peach. peach, peach. peach. shirt, shirt. shirt, shirt. shark, shark. shark, shark. shorts, shorts. shorts. ship, ship. ship, ship. sheep, sheep. sheep. shell, shell. shell. shoes, shoes. bush, bush. brush, brush. Stay home, stay safe.